All right, we are out here at Forest Haven. Dude, look at this. This is just coming in. Like, look at all the trees that have been spray painted. Look at that. Jeez. It's actually pretty cool. And it helps, you know. Helps to know where you're going. I found it pretty easily, if I do say so myself. It actually wasn't that hard. I actually didn't even read. I think there's a forum on Reddit that tells you how to get in here, but it's years old. But I actually haven't read that in years. Kind of just winged it. I saw a path when I drove by. And I kind of just parked the truck where I could park the truck. I mean, there's literally nowhere where you can park your vehicle and it doesn't look suspicious. Like, seriously. If you're trying to, and then, like, from what I've been told, you know, it's better coming here during the day than at night. Sorry, freaking swiping for spider webs. But yeah, it's better to come at day than night, because, you know, nighttime, you got people who did y'all hear that shit? Y'all heard that, right? Like, I'm not the only one who heard that, right? Oh, jeez. I hope that wasn't an alert like, the niggas here. I really hope that wasn't that's not what that was. If so, hey, we gotta run. I've already ran too. Like, I ain't gonna lie, the boy's not too bad of shape here lately, because I actually wasn't gasping for freaking air. I had to make a dash to the little driveway spot. Hold on. Oh shit. Okay, so there's a road here. Be very cautious, because this is where we're going to be out in the open. We're not going to have any cover. And you already know, man. You already know. Oh, 2025. RIP Phil. RIP Phil. But, you know, your boy came out here in the camouflage. Fuck all that. All black shit. I even brought a camouflage hoodie because I wasn't sure if it was going to be windy today. So, dude, I swear, I can't tell if that's, you guys can't really see it on camera, but right there, I can't tell if that's a building or what that is. Look, more writing. I ain't gonna lie, man, pretty magical. It's a little take you guys along. Hopefully, you know, we get in and out, don't get caught. I'm probably not going to explore too much, this being my first time. And plus, it's summertime. I feel like doing this type of thing is better in the winter, when things are dead. You don't got to worry about too many plants and stuff. But oh, it's a trailer. Okay, I ain't gonna lie, I was spooked for a second, because I was hoping that wasn't like a work truck or something. Okay, this is pretty grown up too. It's pretty grown up. But yeah, I was hoping that wasn't like a work truck or something, because I heard that a company has bought this land, and I guess they're gonna plan on tearing everything down. So I was hoping this wasn't like some type of work truck. But yo, look at this. This is crazy, actually. This is a whole load off building. They're just freaking, I guess, just left the trailer here to the freaking dock. But we're gonna try to find some places that aren't as grown up, because I'm already pretty sure I'm gonna have ticks like a motherfucker. I'm trying to lessen the chances of having too many ticks or things of that nature. It's fucking funny too, because most people probably be scared to go through there because of spiders. Nah, I'm not scared of spiders. I just don't want to freaking tick on my goddamn balls. If you know, you know. But yeah. Oh crap. There's a... Okay. Just made it a lot easier for us. Not gonna lie. Definitely gives horror movie vibes. I'm actually surprised they haven't used this place for a horror movie. Don't look behind you. Don't worry about it. I ain't worried about looking behind me. Oh man. Of course it's a mess. But gotta get a little dirty. Jeez, man. Look at this. Dude, I hope they take a long time to tear it down. Because it's my first time being here. I've always known about this place. I've always wanted to visit. Hearing that they're gonna tear it down. Kind of put a flame under my ass, you know? Dude, look at this. Jesus. God, man. God, I cannot wait. So, as you guys are seeing, we're on a new channel, baby. We're on a new channel. Yes, sir. This is gonna be the exploration / ghost hunting channel. I decided I'm just gonna put them both in one rather than one or the other, because you know, starting out, both are gonna be scarce. You know, it's gonna be hard to get places to let me, a very small creator, come into their establishment and do ghost hunting. So we got to build up a little bit of a reputation. You know, hit that subscribe button, also hit the like button. But yeah, this is our first place. You know, if you're a local here, you already know what this place is. Forest Haven, out here in Laurel, Maryland. We only got one battery too, so that's another reason that oh dang, that's got all messed up in there. So that's another reason we're kind of going to be in and out. But this won't be the last time we come here. I'm going to try to come here another time before all this stuff goes down. I mean, I haven't been out here too much. They have, before I turned the camera on, and sorry, you keep hearing me pause because I'm like, is that noise me or someone else? Because there's definitely been, you know, homeless people come here and shack out. So definitely gotta be crazy homeless people or crazy crackheads for sure. And also, if you heard that, don't be offended if you're not a crackhead or a homeless person. Just saying. Anyway. Damn it, where was I thinking? Oh yeah, so out there before I turned the camera on, before I got into the woods, no, I'm gonna use my phone for a little lighting. But yeah, before I got into the woods, you could definitely tell they were clearing out some brush and chopped down one tree. So it doesn't look like they are in a rush by no means. Damn, dude, this just looks so amazing. But yeah, it doesn't look like they're in a rush to tear everything down. I even saw a Reddit. I did go to a Reddit to make sure this place was still here before I came. And the Reddit, it was 2 months ago. The person said it was still here, but they were chopping stuff down. So if it's been about 2 months now and they really ain't touched too much, then I don't think they're in a rush. But dude, just look at all this. I'm not gonna lie, I definitely should have brought my other boots. Yeah, hopefully we don't find any animals either. Well, any dangerous animals. I ain't gonna lie, if a freaking deer was walking through here or some shit, that would be amazing. I ain't gonna lie. I already seen deer before I got in here, before I turned the camera on. I saw deer. I didn't see any vehicles out there, so if we do encounter people, they either walked or biked here, or they are homeless living here. Which, once again, no offense. You know what I'm saying? We all have our highs and our lows in life. Well, fuck you too. All right. I ain't gonna lie, I'm very tempted to go down there. Yeah, let's do it. Very cool though. This is actually way more field than I thought it would be. Dang. I gotta be crazy to come to a place like this by myself, for real, for real. Gonna lie. Yo, that's crazy because I was about to say something about nuts, and look at that. I was literally just about to say my cojones just growed a ton, and then this thing's just here. Okay. Yeah, we might do this one building. We might explore some more. Who knows? Look at that. Just being very careful though. Got another room here. There's actually, I haven't even ran into one spider web. That's the crazy part. Oh my God. Something about that bathroom just reminds me of freaking every childhood horror movie. Seriously, yo, comment down below if you agree, bro. Comment down below. Oh man, yeah, see, look at all this glass. Definitely should have worn my other boots because these boots don't even have soles in them. That's how freaking old and worn they are. They're like my second pair of cowboy boots when I was a teenager. Yeah, I definitely should not be coming in here. Put the camera first. YouTube sees it first. YouTube sees it first. Dude, there's a lot of dicks in here. Damn, dude. I love this. I seriously love this. Hell, maybe, just maybe, y'all, we will have like a little, if this place stays up, this is what I'll say. If this place stays up, right, through the winter, we make it to winter and all these buildings are up, or at least 1, 2, whatever, dead ass, might buy a tent and might do like an overnight video here. I think that'd be hard, bro, an overnight video. But like I said, winter, like, because I could never do this in the summer. The summertime, fuck no. Wintertime, probably be a little more sketchy because there probably would be a lot more homeless people looking for shelter. But my body's just built for the winter, you know? My body's just built for the winter. I could never do this and be so exposed to the elements. Oh, and plus the winter, there won't be as many bugs and shit either. Won't be as many bugs. So, but yo, I'm dead ass about that though. Okay, smash that like button if you guys want me to do an overnight here. This place still survives through the winter. They don't tear it down. Smash that like button and also subscribe. Trying to get to 1,000 subscribers on the new channel. You know what? Or maybe that's what I'll do. Maybe what I'll say is, you get us to 1,000 subscribers, and then, or maybe 500. Or maybe I should set the bar a little lower. Maybe 500 to 400 subscribers. Oh wow.
You need to leave.
That's uncalled for, sir. That is uncalled for. But anyway, yeah, you get us. Okay. All right. You know what? I wish I would have brought some spray paint here. I could put some slurs too out this motherfucker. There's a lot of fuck, a lot of bitch. I've only seen 2 N-words though. I might have missed some of the other ones. There might be more. Hey, comment down below how many bitch and fuck and N-words you have seen. Yeah, next time I'm definitely gonna wear my thicker boots. Gotta be careful where I walk. Ugh, cause I can just feel that glass. I'm trying to keep the flashlight ahead of you guys. This is awesome though. This is awesome. All right, I think I'm gonna turn my camera off real fast and take some videos for Snapchat. Also, oh damn, I probably have the Snapchat link down because that's where you can see a lot of the behind the scenes stuff and everything. Also, comment down below if you ever see anything behind me. Comment down below that too. Yeah. Just do it. Just do it. Dude, that's awesome. And then, Hey, but we don't say that out loud though. We don't say that one out loud though. We gotta keep that one a mystery, just in case there is somebody in here listening, just creeping around. Hey, we found the trailer. Well. Yeah, don't gotta go all the way in there. There ain't much to see in there, but I figured I'd show you guys that because I was walking around a little bit off camera and I was like, that trailer should be here somewhere. Oh, there it goes again. I'm gonna try to freaking, sorry if I get like maybe some bad angles. I'm trying to look in front of me, but I'm also trying to make sure I pan the camera like with my head so you guys are looking where I'm looking, but I'm also making sure that I'm on my P's and Q's looking and not staring into the camera trying to see what it's filming. Man, I'll tell you right now, if I had some spray paint, I'd put no more locked doors on that one right there. Hey, I ain't opening no doors though. Not this time anyway. And if somebody's in there, I'm gonna let them have their privacy. You hear that shit? I know y'all heard that. Gotta bring the thicker boots next time. Gotta bring the freaking the door kickers. What I like to call them. Bring in the freaking police, open up. Oh, and there's where all the shit's hanging down. Dude. So I'm pretty sure everybody knows. Oh, maybe you guys don't. I don't know. It depends on who's all watching. But everybody knows this property was an insane asylum. Or so it's like, but I'm pretty sure we're in probably like, I don't know. We're definitely not one of the main quarters at all, or the main building. We're in the side building. Don't know what they would have used this place for, but a lot of I mean, you can definitely tell there's two different, that's a little front desk, and we passed another front desk back there. So this could have been like, I don't know, it could have been living quarters for them. It could have been a few things. Oh, we got some standing water. Tell you, man, lately here in my life, I've been going a lot outside of my comfort zone. Been on a very big don't give a fuck. Well, I think I found a little shortcut. Hopefully it's a shortcut, not like yo, that's funny. Yeah, it's sus, alright. Everything in here is sus, bud. Hey, next time we come back, we definitely should bring some paint. Freaking put the YouTube channel on the walls. Put all the YouTube channels on the wall. Let them know, little free, little plug, little free plug. Oh, they got 4 of them. Got that one. That's not a good one. That's the best one. That's the best one. It's the little freaking. I'm gonna call this the freaking. God dang it! Why I can't think of the game? It's called. Was it? Man, whatever. I don't even care no more. I can't even remember what the game's called. But anyway, I guess that's what this quarter is. Was it the anonymous quarter? Call it the anonymous? No. What is it? Freaking, it's right on the tip of my tongue. You'll say it down in the comments. You know what the game is. Say it down in the comments. It's gonna come to me. Watch, I'm just gonna randomly say it. Just gonna randomly out of nowhere be like, Among Us. This is the Among Us quarter. Yeah, there we go. Okay, all right, buddy. You's a bitch too, and your mama's a bitch. Oh, that one's good too. That one's good. Yeah, we might do. See, look, I don't. Okay. I hope a girl actually wrote that. That's like dead ass. If a girl wrote that, hit me up. If a dude wrote that, get some help. But anyway, Krusty Krab. Okay, I'm sorry. The tism came out. The tism came out. Yeah. This whole every single one of these quarters with these like tiles reminds me of the movie. Reminds me of the movie. Crap. Having another brain fart. The Wizard of Oz. No, not the Wizard of Oz. I already know what y'all thinking. Not the Wizard of Oz. The Wiz of Oz. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. That's all I'm gonna say. It reminds me of the scene where they're in the subway. Jesus Christ. It's like definitely silent, but it's also just so many noises. Like besides me, there's like other noises. But anyway. Yeah, we're doing this in one take, boy. We're getting good at this. No cutting. I shouldn't have to cut any of this out, really. Well, maybe. I don't know. I don't think you get in trouble for like words being on walls and stuff. So hopefully none of this stuff, you know, gets us some type of strike or something. Well, I think this goes. But I will say I think we have walked through a few spider webs. I just haven't felt them, but there's spider webs on the camera, so we definitely have walked through. I don't know why that actually is kind of eerie. It's like that's the good brother and that's the sorry. I said that's the good brother and that's the evil brother. That's what it kind of feels like. That's the vibe I'm getting. I'm getting like that's like the little innocent brother, and that's like the YN brother who's ready to cause havoc any minute. Dude, this is so awesome. Now I'm addicted. We got to find more places to explore ASAP. There's a lot on this side of the bridge. See, I don't live on this side of the bridge, but there's a lot of abandoned places on this side of the bridge. I think this asylum is the best. I think it's the best, and it's the one with the most buildings. So it's the one I believe to explore that has the most to explore. I think a lot of the other places are just like one building or something like that. But I mean, this place has, what is it, like 10, maybe 20? I don't think it's 20, but I think it's like 10 buildings on this property that are just abandoned. But there is, supposedly they say, active control, or guards, sorry, that walk around every once in a while. But today is a Memorial Day. So I just woke up and I just kind of was like, you know what, fuck it, we're gonna go. I was like, because who the fuck wants to security guard on Memorial Day? Nobody. That motherfucker ain't walking around nowhere. I am gonna try to be not as loud though, because, you know, empty building, voices echo. So just in case there is a guard that's, you know, patrolling, you know, try to be a little more quiet. Maybe I want to feel your brother. Anyway, Oh man, this is amazing. And this is just one building, y'all. Just one building. I think I'm gonna turn the camera off here, and then I'm gonna get back outside and see if we can't find another building. I think that's gonna be the plan of execution. See if we can find another building. Maybe I might do 2, might do 3. And then maybe head out. There's another building we got. Very decrepit like. We got some type of structure right here. Might try to see if we can get in there. Like I said, without too many complications. Like, I'm willing, as long as it's not nothing too crazy. Now, when it gets colder out, like I said, this place is still here. When it gets colder, I'll definitely run with y'all, so you know, bugs, ticks, and all that shit won't be a problem. So I'll freaking, like, see right there, that little door right there, propped open. Winter time, I'm in that bitch. I'm in that bitch right now. No. Oh man. I don't know, man. I don't know if it's just the way these buildings look. Oh, there's an opening. See, now I'm conflicted. Do we go in this building? Because I was looking at that. Like, I was showing you guys this, but I was looking straight ahead. I was looking at that. Or I guess we could do both. I don't know. This building is pretty big. Let's go do this first. Let's go do this first. Because I think this looks like a smaller building. Granted, this building looks pretty gutted. But it does have a second floor, so it's still a bigger building than this. This is like a 1-story building. And of course you got this building here too, but I'm pretty sure there's gonna be an opening here somewhere. That's the crazy part. Like, you can tell a lot of people come here very frequently because, dude, there was still a path. Like, and I'm not talking about when we were in the trees. Like, even before I got to the trees, like where the grass was, you could see just faintly, you can still see a trail. And that's kind of like I said, I didn't look up how to get in here. I will say I almost did fuck up because I drove down to the end where the guards, whatever was, because I was, listen, it's a long story. I was getting kind of pissed off at the GPS. So long story short, you know, that was a thing, which is also another reason why I kind of want to get out of here. Don't want to stay too long because I don't want them, I don't know if they can or not, but I don't know if they can tow my truck. I parked it really well off the side of the road, but I don't know if they own that or what. So, you know, camera battery and not trying to get my truck towed. So trying to come in here, trying to get as much content as we can. Oh man, this just looks eerie in itself. Look how like this place is just by itself and there's just this space. There's just like an open space. This is like Resident Evil. You're about to go meet the fucking boss type shit. Oh man, I love this. Oh man, I tell you, man, 2025, bro. We're grinding. We're doing the fucking. We're overcoming fears, which none of this is a fear for me, but I have other fears, and I've been working on those, preparing for the type of content that I do want to make. So 2025, man, no limit. No limit. Oh, this isn't very open. Damn, dude. Imagine this when it was freaking running though. Imagine. See, like when I go to places like this, man, I just try to like imagine how it looked running and people coming through here. You know, like I don't just come to these places just for, I don't know, I guess the cool factor or the graffiti, or it's kind of like everything. I come here just for the whole vibe. But man, I wish, you know, I just like coming in here and then imagining like what this all would have looked like still running. Damn, okay. We had some Bideners up in here, okay? We had some Bideners. Hey, nothing wrong with that, nothing wrong with that. Got a little hole. Oh, there's another one. Tell you, man, put down in the comments below. Count how many F words you see. How many F-bombs you see? Count it. Put in the comments below. 'Cause Jesus, there is a lot. Oh, yep, see right there. Resident Evil moment right there. Walk right there. Big old trap. I fall down. The freaking big bitty vampire lady freaking swallows me up. All that. Oh, there's old boy. Hold on. Be very cautious. Is it his name Randall on Monsters Inc? Look, it's Randall. Damn, dude, I'm telling you. Yo, look at this. Yo, like, I'm telling you, like, niggas just be coming here and chilling. Like, look. They just said there's probably some teenage, or maybe not teenage, maybe some grown-ass kids that come here and they just chill, bro. They literally just chill. I ain't gonna lie, that'd be pretty dope. Come here, get drunk, or come here and freaking smoke weed, whatever the hell you do. You know, I'm more of a drinker myself, but, dude, just imagine. Look, just look at this. Dude, that might be the thumbnail. I don't know. But then again, I don't know. I think I might should make this the thumbnail. I probably should slow down a little bit so that way I have more options for thumbnails. Because I'm kind of moving. I feel like I'm moving the camera a lot quicker than I'm moving myself. Sorry, y'all. Trying to get some thumbnails here. Damn, dude. This is so wicked. Oh, wait, I love this. I ain't gonna cap. I'm not gonna cap, man. This might just be, and I know the year's still new. The year is still beginning. We've got a long way to go, but this might just be the toppest whatever thing on my 2025 list. Like, this might be like the top thing. Well, as long as I go out there and my truck's still there, actually, yeah. Then, all right then. Oh, yep. Hey, boys, if we die, we die. All right. What the? Is that a? Oh, hold on. Yeah. Word to my mother. Word to what? What say? Word to my mother. Yeah. What is it? Is this a fireplace? There's one over there too, but this one's actually ripped off. Yo, imagine. Oh, sorry, I'm not pointing it at it. Imagine. I'm gonna put y'all in that bitch. I don't know what y'all saw, but it might have been nothing. It might have just been straight freaking concrete right there. This might have been nothing at all. But this might be, after we go around this building, this might be the last one. Like I said, the other building's pretty big, and there's a building next to it. So I'm thinking next time I come, we just hit those two buildings. Well, hopefully there's a next time. I mean, we'll see. I mean, it's about a 2-hour drive from where I live, but that's not bad for me anyway. To me, a drive only gets bad once it hits like, I would say 5, maybe 6 hours. Maybe 6 hours, because you can still make a 5-hour drive in a day. So I would say 6 to 7 hours, because that takes up your whole entire day. But as long as there's no accidents or anything, and you can keep on coasting, you can do a 5-hour drive in a day and still have time to go home and R.I.P. Dang, R.I.P. to the homie. R.I.P. to Phil. I know I already said that, but you know, had it reiterated once I saw that. I feel like that's that one cartoon. Put it in the comments, because I don't think I'm. He has blonde hair. Johnny. Is his name Johnny something? I don't know. Put it in the comments. I'm just happy we haven't ran into nobody. Look, there's more chairs. I ain't gonna lie, these ones are a little weird because they're just looking at the window/wall. Like the other ones were facing towards the door. I don't know. Anyway. Hey, who am I? It does kind of suck though, because like as you can see, this building itself has a lot of structural problems. So it kind of sucks to think that, you know, even if they don't tear some of these places down, hell, and there might be even buildings right now that might have been accessible like maybe 5-10 years ago and now aren't accessible anymore because they're just so rotted away. But it is sad to think that even if they don't tear these buildings down anytime soon, or let's say they're not worried about it. Yo, what the fuck? A whole fucking bridge. A whole fucking bridge. I'm telling you, when it gets wintertime, buddy, when it gets wintertime, we're going to be active out this bitch. Hey, y'all call me whatever you want, though, okay? I don't want no, okay. All right, then. But anyway, I don't want no fucking ticks. Or I don't want too many ticks. If I, like, maybe, I'm fine with just one, but I ain't trying to get... Damn, dude. Oh, of course, somebody threw a chair out there. Of course. Damn. Okay. Never mind. I probably just had to cut that because there was a freaking bee that was just flying around me for no fucking reason. Anyway. Place is awesome, bro. Place is fucking awesome. So happy I came today. Even with all the traffic that I had to endure with it being Memorial Day, it was worth it. Freaking worth it. And like I was saying, it's probably gonna be our last building because I wanna get back in still a timely manner. Don't wanna leave my truck out there for too long. You know, this place is actually very active. That's one thing they don't I haven't read about in any forum. Like, and the fucked up part is too, I came here, I'm pretty sure shift change was happening when I came here. So there was a lot of vehicles driving through where like the road where I parked, because I think shift change was happening because there's a whole thing what they say is like a military something or another here. So yeah, it was like I said, like when I tell you I ran, boy, because it was like there was windows. Like, motherfucker, I literally felt like I was in a video game, and you know, you're just sitting there and you're like, it's my chance, and you just fucking run. Yeah, that's how I fucking felt. I fucking felt like I was in a video game. And whoa, what the fuck was that? Oh, buddy, just shit. I think I just scared the fuck out of that dragonfly. Pretty sure we just scared the shit out of each other, but my drawers are clean, and I'm pretty sure I just saw him take a giant shit. But yeah, man, I think this might be the end here. I think I'm gonna head back. I love this. Just fucking walking and look. I'm just walking, just minding my business. Get some help, America. Get some help. Okay. Oh, a squirrel. Hey, I'd rather see a squirrel than something else. I don't know what kind of animals you motherfuckers have over here. I know where I live, we have the whole enchilada. Okay. If you think Maryland has it, we got it. I don't know what they got over here though. But yeah, this is definitely, I think, gonna end it out. First. Oh wait, there's a little door over there too. You know what? No, I'm gonna leave it alone. I'm gonna be proud of what I got. Next video though, we're definitely going in here and we're going in there. And we might go in this building too, because I just seen a little doorway. I think it's right there. I don't know. It's hard to see for you guys to see it on camera. Oh no, it's right there. I think it's like right there. But yeah. Whew. Creepy, man. Creepy vibes, man. Fucking love it. I love it. See, hear that? Oh, that's the door. Hopefully it's nobody coming out the door. Don't know, but y'all heard that, right? Big old bang. Big Bang Theory. Yeah, I got my eyes on you. But anyway, Ah, shit. But yeah, we out. We are out. It was amazing. I'm very proud of us. Very proud of us. See, you just hear that again? It's happened again. There's definitely somebody in there trying to fuck with me. 110%. And I ain't scared though, cause hey, you seen what that motherfucker said? You seen what that motherfucker said on the wall? It said, "We got that static for them." Yes, sir. You think I come out here on my skin? Shit. Boy, come out that motherfucker if he want to. I tell you, boy gonna be more holy than that freaking building we were just in. That's all I gotta say. But anyway, we're gonna keep it moving, keep it pushing, get back to the truck, you know, and freaking hell, it's Memorial Day. I might put some freaking fireworks at the end of this goddamn video.